researchers figured out how to use a deadly fungus to treat leukemia. Researchers discovered that the deadly fungus that caused the so-called mummy's curse could help treat cancer, particularly leukemia. The fungus, Aspergillus flavus, was found in tombs like King Tut's and is known to cause dangerous lung infections. But now, scientists have found that it also produces natural compounds called asperigimycins that can kill leukemia cells without harming healthy ones. In lab tests, 2 of these compounds showed strong anti-leukemia effects. To make them more effective, researchers added fat-like molecules to help the drugs enter cancer cells more easily. They also identified a gene that helps the drug reach its target inside the cell, which could improve delivery for other treatments too. Unlike chemotherapy, these fungal compounds seem to target cancer cells specifically, which means fewer side effects. The team plans to test the treatment in animals next and hopes to move on to human trials. They believe more helpful compounds might be hidden in other fungi, especially those found in ancient places. The idea of a mummy's curse gained fame after several early explorers of King Tutankhamun's tomb died mysteriously, sparking rumors of ancient revenge. While often dismissed as superstition, some scientists have suggested that spores from Aspergillus flavus sealed in tombs for centuries may have been a real cause. Inhaling these spores can lead to severe respiratory infections, especially in people with weakened immune systems. The dry, sealed tombs may have preserved the fungus in a dormant but harmful state, making the curse more about toxic exposure than superstition.